I'm Karen with Stitch in Heaven. Welcome to our Red and Cream Sampler Block of the Month. This is a 10-month program and it will be billed on the 11th of every month. This quilt finishes at 68 by 68. You will love this pattern by Fig Tree and Company. In the first month, you're going to receive your pattern and you're going to receive block 1 and block 2. Now, because this is a pre-cut block of the month, everything is clearly labeled and easy for you to put together. This will be block 1, this will be block 2. In your welcome letter, please scan this QR code to join our Facebook group and become part of our quilting community. We also have fabric keys available for you. You'll want to subscribe to our newsletter to keep up with what's happening at Stitch in Heaven. On the back of the welcome letter, you'll find our store hours, which is Wednesday through Saturday, 10 to 5. We have our customer service phone number listed and also their email address. Thanks so much for being part of our Stitch in Heaven family.